Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On April 28th of 2023, Southwest Michigan Community Watch took a quick trip to the gas station, and on his way home, he noticed two officers parked on the side of the road. After passing their cruisers, one of the officers began following his vehicle.
This cop has been following me for like 4 or 5 miles now. Everywhere I go, he keeps following me.
After making a few turns, the officer remains on his tail, so he decides to pull over.
I'm gonna get out and find out what his problem is.
After he pulled to the side of the road, the officer followed suit, activating his emergency lights as they came to a complete stop.
So he turned his lights on as soon as we pulled up here.
He shut off the engine and rolled down his window, and a moment later, he is met by Deputy Rouse of the local sheriff's department.
Evening, sir. Deputy Rouse of the Sheriff's Office. How you doing? You got your license, registration, proof of insurance with you tonight?
What's the nature of the stop?
As soon as I know who you are, I'll be happy to explain that.
Is this Germany? Do I gotta provide papers before you tell me why?
Well, if I don't know who I'm talking to, in case you run off or flee, I'd like to know who I'm talking to. So if you don't mind providing your identification, I'd be happy to go forward with you.
Well, I would take the key out if I could, but I can't.
Okay, no problem.
I would still like to know why I'm being stopped.
I'd be happy to explain that to you as soon as you provide me with identification, sir.
Are we in Germany?
No, we're not. I think you know the answer to that question.
Okay.
I don't think Germany exists anymore.
Exactly my point. Nope. You do realize in order to get ID from somebody, you have to have a reason and articulate that reason for the stop, right?
I'm well aware of how it works.
Well, you do realize I'm a constitutionalist, so I know this.
Okay.
So, unless you can articulate, this is my property, yes.
This is your property.
Well, I don't live here, but this is my property.
This is where you're staying? Okay.
This is not where I'm staying, but I own this property.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough.
With consideration for the Fourth Amendment, it seems more than reasonable that an officer should have to articulate their reasonable suspicion or probable cause to a driver prior to demanding he surrenders his right to privacy from invasion by state agents. But generally speaking, an officer does not have to tell you why they stopped you before demanding an ID during a traffic stop. It may be the policy of an individual department, but the law does not require officers to tell you why they pulled you over. However, in the event the interaction ever ends up in court, the officer must be able to provide his reasonable suspicion or probable cause for the stop, but for some strange reason, they are still not legally required to tell you.
I knew you were following me. I knew I used my turn signals. I knew I wasn't speeding. As soon as I see you on the side of the road, I see you hit your brake lights. I knew you were going to with me. I knew exactly what you were going to do. There's nothing wrong with my car. Every light on my car works.
Yes, sir.
So what's the nature of the stop?
Well, the nature of the stop is when you went by, it didn't look like there was a front bumper. And then as I was behind the car trying to run a registration, you took multiple turns and it appeared to be evading me. All I'm doing is checking out what's going on.
You better get your goddamn supervisor.
Okay.
When is it illegal to make turns?
I didn't say it was illegal to make turns.
Dude, we both know where this is going, and you know you have no reason to pull me over.
Okay. All you need in Michigan is reasonable suspicion to make a traffic stop.
Yes, you have to have RAS. But what is your single articulable suspicion?
It appeared you were trying to avoid police contact.
Bull.
Looked like you had a bumper on the front of the car when you went by.
Dude, I'm not giving ID because I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay. Is this your car?
It's in my dad's name, yes.
It's in your dad's name?
Yep.
Okay, sir.
Dude, this is going to make an awesome YouTube video. You just admitted that I committed no crime or no traffic infraction. When the is it illegal to make turns?
Well,
there is a bumper on my car.
Well, it's
Come on, man. This is bull. Come on. You know it's bull. Just leave me alone.
Okay, man.
You know this is bull. Just leave me the alone. I'm not doing nothing.
Okay.
Right? Mm-hmm. Okay. You have a good night.
Surprisingly, the deputy drops his pursuit of identifying the driver, after which the two realize that they've met before and end up hanging out on the side of the road for half an hour.
Yeah, I mean, you're good.
That's just ignorant.
Man. I'm not even...
Oh, hell, I don't mind sitting here talking to you.
Yeah. I just... lights and stuff, I don't want you to think you can't go, so...
Yeah.
You just got that face, and I was like, I know this guy. I don't know this guy, so...
Mind if I check out the inside of your car?
No, you can check it out. This is full brightness all the time. So half the night, I'm riding around with like a hat or something shoved up there, so it's not killing my night vision.
Deputy Rouse never obtained an ID. Let me know what you think of this interaction in the comments, and to see the full interaction, be sure to check out the links below to visit Southwest Michigan Community watch his channel and let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.